Hey guys, welcome back from Classic Work. How many times has this happened to you? You need to cut a perfect circle, but you really don't know how. You might say that you might turn to the bandsaw. You might say that you might turn to the jigsaw or the scroll saw. But how about this? We're going to cut a perfect circle in a piece of wood with nothing but a table saw. Check it out. You will need a few things other than just a table saw. You will need a scoop board, which is nothing but a big piece of plywood that's got a straight edge on one side and it's got a hardwood runner right here that runs in your T-track on your table saw. It's nothing but like a big giant T-square, and if any of y'all seen Norm Abrams, this here is one of his favorites. But anyways, what we're going to do here is, once you've made a scoop board for your saw, or if you have one, whatever the diameter of your circle is going to be, go ahead and measure that out. In my case, it's 3 3/8 inches. And I'm just going to put a little mark right there. That'll do it. Next thing is, get you a finish nail. That's pretty small in diameter, and put it right there on your mark. Just drive it in there, not ridiculously far, but you know, pretty good little ways, so it ain't going all the way through your table here. Next, trim off the nail to about 1/2 inch sticking up out of the table. Okay. Once you've done that, take you a file and file a point right on the top of your nail. It ain't got to be super sharp. You don't want to hurt yourself on it, but it does need to be pretty sharp so that you can pinpoint where your crosshairs are going to go on your circle. All right. Now then, on your little blocks of wood here, you want to put an X for your center. Just go from corner to corner, and go ahead and put that right there on your nail. Matter of fact, it might be a little easier, or a good idea is to take an awl and go ahead and punch a hole right where that X is. That way it'll fall right into that hole and you won't have a lot of problems trying to line it up. Once you've got it stabilized on top of the nail, take you a hitting instrument and just drive it on there. A few little taps. Alright, and it should spin pretty freely. Make sure on your scoop board, if you've got your clean edge down here, that all sides of the wood are going to pass over this. And it's close on this side, but I think it'll go. Alright, quick warning out there. This way of cutting circles is very dangerous, so be careful when you're doing this. As you can tell, I'm not a huge safety, guy, but this is a dangerous process, but it gives you really, really good results. So let's take a look at it. And there you go. Can't get much better than that. The finish is decent if you have, you know, a pretty good cross-cutting blade on your saw, and just with a little bit of sanding, that makes your job a whole lot easier than trying to rough it out and then sand all that out. Other than that, that's pretty much the basics. Thank y'all again from Classic Work. Take care, and God bless.